Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Bathroom objects, with words like towel and mirror.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Bathroom objects. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothpaste, towel, towel, soap, soap, sink, sink, mirror, mirror, shower, shower, bathtub, bathtub, toilet, toilet, toilet paper, toilet paper, shampoo, shampoo, hairbrush, hairbrush.
I know many bathroom words now.
Good. Nexo. Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Match the image with the correct word.
Towel, toothpaste, hairbrush, toothbrush. What is this? Toothbrush. What is this? Toothpaste. What is this? Towel. Mirror, soap, sink, bathtub. What is this? Soap. What is this? Sink. What is this? Mirror. Towel. Bathtub. Shower. Toilet. What is this? Shower. What is this? Bathtub. What is this? Toilet. hairbrush,
toilet,
toilet paper, shampoo. What is this? Toilet paper. What is this? Shampoo. What is this? Hairbrush.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
it was good. The pictures helped me.
Bathroom objects. Toothbrush. The toothbrush is blue. The toothbrush is blue. Toothpaste. The toothpaste is on the sink. The toothpaste is on the sink. Towel. The towel is white. The towel is white. Soap. The soap is small. The soap is small. Sink. The sink is clean. The sink is clean. Mirror. The mirror is big. The mirror is big. Shower. The shower is hot. The shower is hot. Bathtub. The bathtub is full. The bathtub is full. Toilet. The toilet is in the bathroom. The toilet is in the bathroom. Toilet paper. The toilet paper is new. The toilet paper is new. Shampoo. The shampoo is in the shower. The shampoo is in the shower. Hairbrush. The hairbrush is on the shelf. The hairbrush is on the shelf.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I am ready for quiz 2.
The toothbrush is blue. C. The toothpaste is on the sink. B. The towel is white. C. The soap is small. B. The sink is clean. C. The mirror is big. C. The shower is hot. C. The bathtub is full. A. The toilet is in the bathroom. B. The toilet paper is new. B. The shampoo is in the shower. B. The hairbrush is on the shelf. A.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, listeners, and continue with the next lesson.
This class was very useful.
Yes, we learned important bathroom words.